Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our 71 F-150, come off a Buffalo Ranch out in western South. Runs good. No horn, obviously. There's your wipers. Horn to, or blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Radio works like AM. Blower motor works. Pretty good sounding dual exhaust, good tires on it. Headlights, grills broke out. In it, runs good. Even got a fifth wheel ball in it if you want to put her to work. There's your tail lights. So a pretty decent old Ford. Had some rust in the floor. We just put some panels in there. It needs a little more work down there, but we redid the seats, so just a nice driver quality truck. 605-695-7391. There you can see dome light works too.